This is a step-by-step guide for how to clean your backpack. Backpacks are built rugged and tough, so don't be afraid to wash them. Step number 1, unzip every single pocket. Some backpacks have more pockets than others. And make sure to shake it upside down, removing any loose debris that's inside the backpack. Candy, leaves, candy wrappers, you name it. Next thing you want to do is to put your backpack in a mesh bag for your washing machine. Just make sure you get one that's big enough. These bags are specifically designed to wash delicate things in the washing machine. I like that. The reason for this is this will prevent any buckles, straps, zippers from getting caught on any of the innards inside of your washing machine. From this point, you're going to throw it inside your washer, and the great thing about modern machines is they come with a delicate cycle. So what are you going to do? Stick it in there and select the delicate cycle, and you're going to wash with cold water. Not hot, not warm, but cold. So select delicate, use cold water, and you're just going to use a regular laundry detergent as your cleaning agent. After the wash cycle is completed, pull out your backpack, remove it from the mesh bag, and you're going to hang it upside down by some clothespins, and you're going to let it air dry. No dryer. And within 24 to 48 hours, you will have a clean backpack.